How to sell children's book online fast. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you some ways you can sell children's books online fast. So let's get into it. So here I'm on Amazon, and what you need to do is let's go ahead and search for some examples, right? So we got some best-selling books over here. So let's go ahead and go to the top and search for children books. All right, so here we go. So we have some different options over here. So this is like a category as well, but we could search for it. I think that would be much better. Let's see. All right, so here we go. So we've got all these different options, right? So here you can see they're pretty cheap, nothing too crazy. Some of them are actually bigger, but those are like, a whole box or collections. So you can go ahead and create some examples, right? Next, what you want to do is you want to first find out the niche, right? So maybe a specific niche, and you can also set the age groups as well. So here, let's say between ages of 3 and 5, right? These are going to be our main category or, age group. And these are some of the best sellers right here. So The Very Hungry Caterpillar and The World of Epic Carl Around the Farm. We got See You Later Alligator, Dragon Loves Tacos, and Dr. Seuss. We got all sorts of different, options. So you can go ahead and get started with this, and you can also find some niches using AI. So for example, if you were to go ahead and go over to ChatGPT or any other AI, you can find some examples of that. You also have this AI as well called LitPal. It's pretty popular right now. You can create professional books in minutes, right? And I've signed up over here. I've also verified my account. So let's go ahead and create our book. So let's go ahead and click on let's create a book. First, we got to describe our book and then create AI images and previews, right? So this is how it works. You can skip this and view the subscription plans over here like so. And you could go with the free trial over here. And let's go ahead and click on continue with the free trial. All right. It's not free. It's not free at all, but you can still use it, right? So you get full access to basically everything. You get 30 credits and everything. So we're going to start our free trial by clicking on the free trial button. And if you don't want to use it, you can always use Gemini or ChatGPT. I also have a subscription on ChatGPT, so we'll use that. So let's go ahead and ask ChatGPT for this children's book, right? So first, let's go ahead and shape your book. Age range, type of story, main character, length, and everything. And then we describe, right? So age group is going to be between 3 and 5, and main character is a boy. And let's go ahead and boom, let's go ahead and get started. So the story concept, Ben and the Brave Little Step, right? Theme is going to be confident, trying new things, and soft reassuring, perfect for bedtimes, right? So this is going to be page 1. This is Ben. Ben is a little boy with big curious eyes. Page 2, today Ben sees something new, all right? A big puddle shines on the ground. Ben stops. The puddle looks wide and splashy. Says Ben. What if I get wet? Ben takes a tiny step forward and his shoe wiggles. So we can see it's a pretty decent little story. It's very small, 10 pages long. Mostly it is going to be, illustrations and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and write illustrations. I'll put that here and click on next. Let's see what we get. So going ahead and click over here, Ben stands outside a sunny day. So these are the illustrations. Next, we can go ahead and generate these images using Gemini or, Nano Banana, because Gemini does have that option. So we got create image options right here. So these are it. So page number 1 is going to be this one. Let's go ahead and generate that image and click on next. Okay, so I was in temporary mode, so I lost everything, so I have to do that again. So let's go ahead and get started with that again. Also, I just realized that we can also make it rhymey as well, and we can add like a lesson theme as well. So I don't know, but we'll go with this. Let's go ahead and illustrate some prompts. This is a little bit of different story now. Big Ben, now it's called Ben and the Brave Little Day. So now Ben goes out and explores the park. So that's it. So let's go ahead and create the images. So page number 1 is going to be this. And we just go ahead and click over here and click on create image and put in the prompt. Click over there. Now it's going to go ahead and create images. And then we can use these images to create our book. To upload the book, we do need to go to KDA, which is Kindle's which is Amazon Kindle. And here we go. So this is KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing. We can go ahead and sign up, create an account, and upload the images and the books here. And this is the image of Ben. Ben looks pretty cool. And we can create other images as well. Ben standing near a window, waving outside, and basically create these images, and then we can use these images on the book. We already have our story as well, and it's as simple as that. And we already have our story, and it's as simple as that. Next, you can go ahead and sign up onto Kindle Direct. You can use your Amazon account. I currently can't access Amazon right now for some reason, but yeah, you can go ahead and create pretty amazing looking stories, or you can also find stories online, like Cura or Reddit or stuff like that. Any other website that has different stories, and then you can rewrite them using AI to change a little bit so that it's not copyright or being infringement or anything like that. And then you can sell them on Amazon as well, and you can sell them for $14, $9, $4, $7, $9. Basically, you want to keep the price at the start, so like $4 or $5, and then you can increase it later on if it works well. So it's as simple as that. So that's how you do it. That's how you can create children's book, and you can sell them online using AI. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.